Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can make sliders in Elementor. So what you have to do is just simply install a plugin. For doing that, just simply go to plugin, then search Sina, then enter. Then just simply install this Sina extension over here. It's free. So just simply install and activate. So after the installation is complete, just simply go back to plugin over here. And now if you click on Elementor over here, you will find Sena has been added into Elementor right over here. And now what you have to do is just simply create a template. So just simply scroll down, then go to templates, just hover over it, then click on add new over here. Then just simply click on the select drop box over here and make sure you select selection over here. Then just simply choose any name for your template. Let's say for example test 01. Then just simply click on create template. Now inside your template, just simply click on the plus icon over here. Then select a structure. If you want to make 2 slider, 3 slider, 4 slider, or how many slider of your liking. So for me, I'll just simply choose the 4 column option over here. Click that. So as you see here, my 4 structures have appeared. Now what you have to do is just simply add an image. For doing that, just simply drag and drop the image from over here to the block inside. Then just simply click on the pencil icon over here, then click on the image over here. Then if you have an image, just simply use that, or just simply click on select file over here. Then choose the image of your liking and click open. Then just simply click insert media at the bottom right corner. So as you can see, my media has been inserted over here. Now I will just simply add a heading to it. So for doing that, just simply drag and drop the text from over here to over here. Then I will just simply write chocolate ice cream. So after writing the name, if you want to edit the name, just simply click on the pencil icon over here, and you can edit all the text related things from over here. So let's see if I want to change the font. I'll just simply change the font from over here and increase the size a little bit. Now after that, I will just simply add a button to it. So again, for that, just simply drag and drop this to the place where you want the button. Then I will simply edit the text. So as you can see, it's now a clickable button. Now I will just simply change the background color of the box. So for doing that, just simply hover on the box and click on the rectangle icon over here. Then it will take you to the styles. In the background section, just simply choose the image if you have, or just simply choose a solid color by going either with default or from over here, or just simply choose a color from over here. Let's go with white. Yeah. Now I can also make the borders a little bit curved by again just simply going back to the rectangle, then borders, then give it a value of let's say 20. As you can see, the border is now curved. Now if I want to add a little bit margin down here, just simply again go to the clickable button over here, click on the pencil, then go to advanced, then add a little bit of margin. Let's go with 10. Yeah, 10 looks much better. Now after doing that, you can make more of them if you want to, but simply delete all the rest of the blocks. So for doing that, just simply go hover over a block, then right click, then press delete, and do this process for all of the boxes. So after that, again just simply go back to the rectangle icon over here and go to the layout section, then choose boxed, and now it will be a much bigger size. So now as you can see, the text is not properly aligned in the center. So for doing that, again just go to the pencil icon, content, and alignment to the center. Much better. Now just simply click on publish down here. Now we are going to go back. So just simply click on the 3 dots, then exit. Then if this type of pop-ups comes, you can choose any of them. Now simply go to your pages. Now I'm going to show you how you can add the slider into your home page. So for doing that, just simply go to pages, then the 3 dots over here in the home page, then click on edit, then choose edit with Elementor. So after you're inside your website, so just simply scroll down and add a new page by just simply clicking the plus icon over here. And now after you're inside your website, just simply create a new post just by either going to the plus icon over here, or you can just simply drag and drop your Sena slider over here. And now what you're going to do is certainly search Sena slider. So as you can see now, it's all the Scena slider. So what are we going to use is Scena's content slider. So just simply drag and drop onto it. Then after adding the slider, simply choose full width. Then what you have to do is now just simply click on the pencil icon over here. Then in the content column, just simply click on slider settings, sorry. Then in the show item, just simply choose 4. Now after doing that, just simply click on slider content over here. Then just simply delete them. Then click on add item. And now just simply click on use save templates and choose template which you just saved. For me it's test 01. So as you can see, my template has been added, but the size and the text is a little bit weird, so let me fix that. So for doing that, just simply go to style. So for the height, just simply adjust the height over here. So after fixing all of that, as you can see, if I move my mouse, it is smooth sliding effect. But let me show you a few more things. So now what you have to do is just simply again go to the pencil icon over here, then go to content, then add new items. Just simply add new templates that you just made. Just add multiple times. You can have multiple templates showing multiple things, but for this example I will just simply use that singular template. So as you can see now, by using which I can scroll, and I also have arrows over here which will also help me to scroll. Now if you want to remove the dots from over here, just simply go to slider setting, then just disable the dots from over here and the dots will be gone. And now for the arrows, as you can see, it is not visible. Simply go to style, then nav and dots, then change the color of the dots black, and for the arrow color make it red. So now if I go back on the page, you will see the box has changed color to black and the arrow has changed color to red. So now if I click on them, it will give us smooth sliding effect. Now let me quickly fix the text. Now after making all the changes, it should look something like this. So now as you can see, after fixing all of this, it is now a smooth slider. You can also do this by mouse, or if you are on tablet or phone, you can also use by hand. Let me show you how it looks in tablet. So this is how it will look in a tablet, and this is how it will look on a screen. So I will just simply quickly update this. And now if I go back to my website and just simply refresh it, the sliders has been added. So it seems like the text issue haven't gone yet. So I will just simply fix it afterwards. But for the slider part, that's all. So thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.